For the balance shift plate, the material is X40 Crony C274, which undergoes quenching and tempering heat treatment to 28 to 32 degrees and finally undergoes high temperature blind cooking process to make it rust-proof and corrosion resistance and improve its wear resistance to a certain extent. Service life is 5 to 6 times than C45 material. The quality of thrust bearings is very important. They bear axial loads and provide strong support for vehicles. We use high-quality bearing steel, which is forged and heat-treated to 58 to 62 degrees and then turned and grounded. Finally, the products are tested and packaged. We use fluorine rubber for oil seal and O-rings. Compared with nitrile rubber, fluorine rubber has high temperature resistance, corrosion resistance, oxidation resistance, oil resistance, atmospheric aging resistance, and high chemical stability. It's the best medium resistance among all elastomers. Nitrile rubber has poor low temperature resistance, poor ozone resistance, and low elasticity. The two can be distinguished by their combustion characteristics. When the flame of a lighter is used to burn the two rubbers, nitrile rubber will burn and have a strong smell of raw rubber and black smoke, while fluorine rubber will not burn and the smell is very light. The balance shift bolts are coated with dichromate, which has excellent corrosion resistance, sealing, and high temperature resistance, which is 7 to 10 times that of ordinary bolts, and can remain free of red rust for more than 1,200 hours in the salt spray test. They are high in strength, can withstand greater loads, and are easy to install and disassemble, while ordinary screws perform poorly in this aspect. The material of the washer is 65 mm, heat-treated to 43 to 48 degrees with good wear resistance. Finally, the products are tested and packaged.